your first lady, coming to you from Osaka in Japan. Listen, this Sunday night it will be all about emancipation. How much do you know about independence and emancipation? This Sunday on Expressions JA Sunday Night Live. Tune in because we're going to ask a bag of question. So make sure the sharp now. I only can have on a device, but when the one question drop, only can answer. Alright? Our special guest host this Sunday is Ken Raro, and of course none other than Akira Gardner. People, tune in. And don't believe some comment. They are Japan, but now go join in to see who and who they on the live. So make sure you join in this Sunday night, 8 p.m. Sharp. Alright? Right after the uploads then. So make sure you jump on over on the live. See you guys. Mwah.
In depth on the move.
Look who's back. Top shutter. They're back on the ground.
I'm going to tell you something about the back of your foot, brother.
Right time, I'm this the news in it.
Yeah, man. Team balance. Never dance, man.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. So, you buy for them?
Yeah, man. I chat to some different people, but I over money stronger.
Man have options, brother. A good look.
Yeah, man. You know my style. Me have to call the shots.
I like the audience. If you don't take the shots, they get the claps. I'm safe, man.
So, you ready for work?
Yeah, man. Ready for work, man. You see me? But we're going to need a big wig for the team. That's like a stop work daily.
Don't worry, man. I'm the next politician afoot.
Somebody you can trust.
Brother, me not trust politician. Use them like how them use we.
So,
Marcus Wallace.
do you see you go, brother? You show them on their throat, brother. No daily did take him seat.
Yeah. With our help, we can make him get it back.
You're fun for that.
Them have an internal election. So them have to fight for the seat.
Sound like a thing. So you want we just go some and make him get some vote.
Yeah. Once you have him for our side, we're good. Clean record again.
Oh, you mean clean like the slippers that Jesus never wear?
So you go, my brother. And
God is life, man, isn't it?
Yo, I want that.
No, that.
Sure the button for your brother? Dasha. Sell me out.
Oh, I'm here. So look, what? You look like something nobody want to buy you. Nobody even know somebody there. What I'm here with?
Gotcha! Whisper, he might come around your side.
Oi!
Whisper, no. No casualties.
So what you gonna do? Shoot me again? Eh?
Whisper. What do you want?
Same person, Dodger.
Come round here, so come help me. I need to find Siva.
Which side?
East side.
Alright.